How to create a stop-motion video. Step 1. How to create a stop-motion video. Create a set of objects that will make the video unique. Write a script and write down the script for the motion. Think about camera movements and how the objects are moving. What kind of camera movements are needed to create movement? If you want to create a non-animated stop-motion video, just write down simple text to create the flow. You can use any script you want, but make sure to add a different camera movement every time the objects stop. Step 2. Make the motion camera movements. To create the motion camera movements, a simple movement can be made of the pen or pencil. Write out the words on the paper and use the pen or pencil to move them in all the right directions. To create the stop-motion video with a pen or pencil, move the pen to make the object stop in the right place. Do not move the pen for a long time or you will get motion sickness. Make sure you stop moving the pen when the movement stops. A hand will move in the same direction to create movement. You can start with a simple movement to see how fast you can make a stop-motion video. If you want to create a professional motion film, make the motion more subtle and more subtle. Step 3. Send the stop-motion video to the website. You have the video ready to upload. In the video, you can use the website's settings to create a link for the video to upload to YouTube. Make sure to set the video's upload details like video length, quality, source and so on. You can create a link like this. Embed this video. Conclusion. To create a stop-motion video, you have to make it unique, interesting and impressive. That is all you need to create a stop-motion video. Now, go to the website, make a stop-motion video and upload it. Be sure to create a video where the motion is going in all the right places. Be creative with how you move the objects and be creative with the video's motion, like the motion from the pen. Make the video look interesting.